Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, so since you can see this camera inside the shutter button, not the red dot, just like in the video mode, then it means that we can enter the settings, and the settings are right here in the left lower corner. So let's tap, and as you can see at the very first position we've got the self timer, so the option we are looking for. Let's tap on it, and we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. We can set either 10 or 3 seconds delay or turn it off completely. So let's pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, it's immediately notified right here. What's more, after getting back to the camera, you can see that here we've got the timer icon with 10, which means that we've just applied 10 seconds delay. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, and after the time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, let's check the 3 seconds delay, but basically it will work the same, just your device will count down from 3, not from 10. And of course we can turn off the timer just like that, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.